Hi, my name is Vance. I'm a sales rep for Midstate Equipment in Janesville, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to show you how to disconnect and reattach your loader on a John Deere compact utility tractor. You're going to find a nice flat area. You're going to level your bucket out. Next, you're going to lower your bucket onto the ground to relieve the pressure on the clamps that attach to the frame. Lift the clamps on both sides. Pull back on the hydraulic joystick as if you're raising your bucket, and your stand will begin to lower. Continue to do this until your loader has detached from the tractor. Final step is to hop off the tractor and remove hydraulic hoses. Before doing this, you want to equalize the pressure for disconnecting. Steps for reattaching your loader: you're going to drive in square between your loader with the tractor. You're going to line up the frame posts and your clamps, hop off, reattach your hoses. You're going to raise the stand up by pushing your hydraulic joystick forward as if you're lowering the bucket, and your stand will fall in on the frame posts. You will lock in your clamps, test that the loader is attached to the tractor, and you're on your way. And those are the basic steps to remove and reattach a loader on a John Deere compact utility tractor. If you'd like to come try it for yourself, you can come to any of our 7 locations across southern Wisconsin.